Back on the channel with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing and we go through all the specifications for this new release Samsung Galaxy M51 device that it's been released in September 2020. The Galaxy M51 is the most expensive Samsung M series device yet. It packs a massive battery and Super AMOLED screen and a Snapdragon chipset. Also, the standout feature here is the massive battery. We're gonna go through the unboxing and then we're gonna go through all the specification and we're gonna have a look on this device. Now we're just gonna do the unboxing and we go through all the specifications. I did open the box before, so it would be more easy now to go to the box. And let's find out what's inside. So inside we got another small package. And if you can see, we got this case, so we can open that SIM tray. And inside we got some papers, and pretty much that's it. We don't have a case or a silicone case. And this is the device, Samsung Galaxy M51, with an Infinity O display, quad camera and a massive 7000 mAh battery. Also inside the box we got the earphones, which is nice to have it. Samsung on. And we got the USB Type-C 2.0 cable. Also we got a charger, which is an UK charger, and you can charge this phone with 25 watts. Let's see if it says on the charger. Yeah, we got right here 25 watts. Okay, let's leave everything aside and let's have a look on this device. You can also push it up, it's quite easy. I just did it before, so it's easy for me. And this is Galaxy M51, quite a big, large and a bit heavy device. Straight out of the box, the device feels heavy thanks to the big battery the device packs in. Also, the Galaxy M51 weighs 213 grams. Also, the phone is pretty thick, if you can see, at 9.5 millimeters. It feels solid in the hands, and the glass stick back offers a better grip and is not as slippery as other phones with glass back. The back of the device also, it's a fingerprint magnet. If you can see, a lot of fingerprints right here. Okay, on the bottom we got an USB Type-C port. We got the microphone and the bottom speaker, which is a mono speaker. And because it's pretty thick, Samsung also added the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Okay, we can see the power button. Also, it's the fingerprint scanner and it works quite fast. Let's have a look. It's quite fast. I'm quite impressed with that. We got the volumes for up and down, and on the top right here we don't have that much, but on the left side we got the SIM tray, and we're just gonna open now and let's have a look what's inside. So the device, it's a dual SIM, and if you can see, you can add also a micro SD card. So 2 SIM cards plus a micro SD, which is quite good. Let's unlock the phone again. So we got the fingerprint scanner on the right side and also integrated into the power button. On the front, Samsung Galaxy M51 offers a 6.7 inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O panel with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. And let's go and check out the video on YouTube. Let's see how large is this screen, and it's looking really good. You get a full HD plus resolution, and the display is protected by a layer of Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. The display is pretty huge, if you can see, and quite tall on M51. It's quite tall, 6.7 inch. It's like a pablet, not tablet, pablet. The Samsung has a Widevine L1 support to stream HD content on Amazon Prime and Netflix. And if you can see also on YouTube, I did put it on Full HD 60 frame per second HDR, which is looking quite great. Check this out. Really good. Moving on the chipset, we find out that Samsung Galaxy M51, it's coming with Snapdragon 730G, which is an octa-core chipset built on an 8 nanometers fabrication process clocked at 2.2 GHz. This same processor it's also found on Samsung Galaxy A80, Realme X2 and Vivo X50. And we're just gonna go on a game now. And it's really good to find out that this M51 can run and play these games like Asphalt 9 or Call of Duty, because I did play before on maximum settings. And maybe on the following days we can do a whole video only for playing Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, let's have a look here. This is Asphalt 9, and I did put on maximum settings and volume up a bit. It's looking quite good, and I didn't have any problems on playing this game. So this is Asphalt 9 on Galaxy M51. And it's really nice to have this game on a very big screen like this one. It's quite tall screen. Yeah, so no problem on playing also these games like Asphalt 9 or Call of Duty. Moving on the camera, at the back, if you can see, we got a quad camera featuring a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 primary camera. We got a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, a 5 megapixel deep sensor and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. Also we got the flashlight close to all 4 cameras. On the front, the phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And the cameras are pretty much the same as the recently launched Galaxy M31s. Let's go on the menu now. This is the front camera, and let's go and have a look on this menu. We got single take, photo, video and even more. We got the Pro mode, panorama, food, night, macro, live focus, super slow motion and hyperlapse. Let's go back on video. See on the settings, we can record Ultra HD videos, Full HD or HD. Also, let's have a look. We got the video stabilization, high efficiency video, location tags and so on. On photo, going on settings, we got shoot suggestions, scene optimizer, scan QR code, rear video size, we've saw that, front video size. Let's have a look also. Ultra HD, which is quite good. So this is also with the camera. Let's go a bit on the system, on One UI. And if you can see, already we got a software update which is available on M51. We got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC for payments, flight mode and data usage, which is quite good. Let's move on. Sounds, notification, display also. You can choose on light or dark. Adaptive brightness, screen mode, vivid or natural, and full screen apps, navigation bar, home screen, accidental touch protection, show charging information. So it's going to show a percentage of the battery right here in the corner. And let's move on. Wallpaper, display, lock screen, and we got pattern face, fingerprints, always on display and on always on display. Clock style, you can choose from many. Also probably got this GIF, not emoji, probably emoji, no. That is coming on One UI 2.5, which we're waiting on Galaxy M51. Let's go back. Roaming clock, of course, face widgets and shortcuts. Moving on, biometrics. You can add your face recognition and the fingerprints. I did add the fingerprint, which is quite fast. And let's move on the face recognition, and is working quite good. It's fast and I like it, yeah. So two features, face recognition and the fingerprints. We got advanced features, side key, double press, and screenshots and screen recorder, which is good. Direct share, reduce animations, one-handed mode, double tap on this one and you can work easily on this corner, so you don't have to lift your finger up in the corner. So I don't usually use this feature, but it's good to have it. Game launcher, dual messenger. Okay, let's go back. Digital well-being, it's showing you how many minutes, hours you spend on your smartphone. Okay, let's go back. Device care, and we got the battery, storage, memory and the security. Like I said, this device is coming with 6 GB of RAM and 128 storage. And we got here on battery, is showing you learning usage patterns, 79% available, and charging, fast charging of course, like I said, on 25 watts. Also, this phone is coming with this huge battery of 7000 milliampere battery, which should last about 2 days. I didn't use it yet, so I don't know how much this battery could last. But being so heavy, just because of this battery probably, we'll have a look on the following days. Let's move quick on the K menu. And let's see what do we have here. We got the Wi-Fi, mobile data location, Bluetooth, NFC, sound, always on display, screen recorder, dark mode, mobile hotspot, scan, QR code, smart view, quick share, music share, Dolby Atmos, but this is only when Bluetooth headset mount only. Yeah, that's it. Focus mode, live captions, notifications, nearby share, power mode and blue light filter. So you got quite a lot of features on this device. Now on the final conclusion, if you want to buy this phone, probably would be for its huge battery, which can easily hold like for 2 days. I'm not sure if it's gonna be on heavy use or light use. Also for the camera, it packs an 64 megapixel camera and this beautiful huge display, 6.7 inch. The downside probably would be that the phone is a bit bulky, heavy, doesn't come with the higher refresh rate, and we only got 25 watts fast charging, which is taking advertised 115 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. And probably would be interesting to do charging tests for this device in the following days. Another good feature on this device, it's the reverse charging. So this was the unboxing. I hope I cover all the features that this new Galaxy M51 is coming with. And what can I say? Until next time, all the best.